So today we're going to learn how to make a decoder. So the first thing you need to know is what are you trying to decode. You can just start building something without actually having background knowledge on it. Secondly, you also need to know how to do it manually without the computer's help. Because if you can't do it yourself, how would you be able to tell the computer how to do it? So a type of decoder was like the one I posted, Pig Latin to English and English to Pig Latin. I don't know if I posted it English to Pig Latin. No, Pig Latin to English, but that's not important. So we're gonna be doing this with Python because like I'm trying to practice my Python coding or whatever. So the first thing we're going to have is a list. Let's just call it list words equals to an empty list, right? Then we're going to ask for the user's input. So let's say translate equals to input. What would you like to decode? So this decoder is going to take a number and translate it to a letter. So like say if you say 1, the letter will be A. If you say 2, the letter will be B, and so on and so forth. So the first thing, when we do that, when we say translate, let's create a quick if statement called if dot in translate. Let me raise it up. In translate, should I use dot lower? It doesn't matter. T equals to translate dot split. It's going to split on every dot, so that way you give each letter a space. Else T equals to translate dot split on commas. Alright, that's the first if statement. Now we are going to need a for loop so we can go down the list of each number in the word or whatever. So let's say for I in T, right? We're just going to have a whole list of if statement that's going to go down from A all the way to Z. So let's just start with this. If T equals to 1, make sure you put the, I don't know what they call is it parentheses? I forgot what they call it. Yeah, because it needs to be a string. Because I made that mistake the first time and I didn't make it a string, which messed it up a little bit, but make sure it's a string and don't just put 1. Then you are going to say words dot append A. So if it is 1, it's going to put the words that are append into A. If it's a 2, B, but and else words dot append space. And at the end of it, we're going to say print words. Now if we run the program, what would you like to decode? Let's say 1.1.1. That's a problem. Oh, that was it. We put T instead of I. So let's try it one more time. 1.1.1. It should say A. Good. So now let me just put the whole thing in. I'm about to pause the video right here. So I went ahead and put the whole thing in, the whole alphabet. So if we do, let's say we're spelling that dog, and dog would be 4.15.7 DOG. so it works right. That's how you make a decoder. But this is a simple decoder, so the more you do it like pig Latin, it's way harder because you have to figure out where the AY is and all that stuff. But yeah, this is how you make a simple decoder. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on, like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and comment down below what new projects you think I should work on. See y'all later.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.